Hey everybody, good morning, it's Rob Moffett. Guys, today we've got a really quick video for the wild card video on Wednesdays. We're going to be doing a little information video on something called Odysee. You know, this is my channel. I've been making videos for about 13 years. I've got a lot of videos. If you are a content creator and you've got a lot of videos, if you're worried about if one day all your videos would go away, and you know, you should have them on a hard drive, external hard drive somewhere, but what if there was a place you could really easily just send them to and store them? There's a site called Odysee.com. It's a video sharing web platform just like YouTube. It has just a lot of differences though. They pay you for watching the videos, they pay you for uploading and so on, in a different cryptocurrencies. I think it's called Library is a cryptocurrency they have. But here's the deal. If you're a technological dummy like I am, this is how easy it was for me to send all my videos to Library. I've got 867. You just click on this little cloud. Once you join Odysee, I keep saying Library. Library is a parent company. Odysee is the video platform on Odysee. On Library. You click this button and follow the prompts, and you can download all of your videos on your channel. And then every time you upload a video on YouTube, the new ones will also appear on your channel. And as people watch your videos, you get paid. And when you watch other people's video, you get paid. When you upload videos, you get paid. And a lot of people on YouTube, for different reasons, are putting their videos on this channel. Supposedly, they don't have a lot of biases. They're supposed to be neutral. They don't demonetize or deplatform people for different things that they do on YouTube, which I'm not going to comment on. My main reason for wanting to make this video was to let you know if you're a content creator and had a lot of videos, this was a really painless, easy, no-brainer of an idea to just transfer all your videos over to another platform. That way, if something would ever happen to your videos, they would be stored someplace else online. You know, way back in 2011, I accidentally removed all of my videos on YouTube. I had to start over. They had two buttons. One button was to remove one video, and one button was to remove all of them. And they didn't ask you again if that's really what you want to do. And I uploaded something I didn't like. I want to get rid of it. And I did get rid of it. I got rid of everything else too. So I thought I'd let you know about Odysee. Thanks to Brad at BC Blades. He's the one who told me about this. So like I said, if you're a content creator, or even if you're not a content creator, if you like watching videos that may not be on YouTube, or if you like making videos that might not be able to be played on YouTube, you can find a home on Odysee. I like YouTube. To me, YouTube been very good to me. Baseball been very good to me. But I know there's a lot of issues that people have with YouTube, so I can understand why people would go over there. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. I put on new videos every week. Been doing it for 13 years. Got over 860-some videos. Got a bunch of cool people I feature in my video on my channel. No relation to me. They would deny it anyway. And have a lot of playlists too. People never actually check out. A lot of these videos in the playlist aren't mine. Just ones I happen to like. And I got different channels on different things. My comedy that nobody watches, but I love the most out of all things I like are my comedy videos that get me the most unsubscribed. I lose most people over. And the reviews I'm doing every Sunday. My food videos I do every Friday. And my wildcard videos I do every Wednesday. All right, guys. Been babbling here. You'll take care. Been a pleasure to have you on my channel today. Take care and see you out there.